If you cannot get along in a negotiation happening, change dynamics. That means one, change location. Well, let's go over there and talk on the side. Because now there are some, there is tension over here. Okay, let's go over there and sit down. The other one, instead of change location, change time. Let me call you tomorrow. Are you with me on this? Number 3, change the individuals present during negotiation. I give you another way I change negotiation with somebody. This tenant tells me, I need to talk to you because I need to change something on the lease. I said, okay, he's a big political guy. He leases a big building from me. So who do I go with? First time I saw him in the street, I didn't like the conversation the way it's going. I said, let's talk tomorrow. I wanted to change the time. He texted me, he said, meet me at my house. Whose territory is it? His. Puts me on the defensive. You with me? So how did I change the individuals present? I brought Miguel, my lawyer. And I said to Miguel, don't sit all the way in the couch. Sit on the edge of the couch. You're with me? So we're now sitting on the edge. Why? That means, what's going on? Okay? So, demeanor. And I said, do not finish the conversation. I finish the conversation. So if the conversation ends and you think it's time to stand up, do not move until I move. Why? Because if you create tension, if you create pressure, people are going to seek what? The release. So when we talked, and he said, I know in my lease, I'm supposed to leave you all the furniture here. But there is no way I'm going to leave this furniture here. Well, wait a minute. It's in the lease. That's why I gave you a discount on the lease. You see? So I said, what do you mean? It's part of the lease. And he goes, I will stand with a machine gun downstairs and I won't allow anybody to come in. He said that. So I looked at Miguel. I said, is he allowed to do that? He said, what? You bring a machine gun, we'll bring a cannon. And the guy said, why are you taking it such adversarial position? He said, I'm just telling you, in a court of law, no machine gun and nothing. And that's like, boom, it got ugly. So now he said, I can't believe I'm a friend of Cherif. How can you talk to me like this? Do I need to bring my lawyer? I think this conversation is over. He goes like this and he stands up. And I'm still sitting. So now, total confusion. Miguel is looking at me, my lawyer is like, is standing, is like, get out of my house. And I said, please sit down, please sit down. So he sat down. I said, we can go ugly or we can go nice. I couldn't have been any nicer with you. He said, you're right. Sorry, I got upset. Everything's okay. Can I just take a couple things out? I said, take whatever you want out, but leave me the place with some furniture that's acceptable. Don't leave me IKEA furniture when this is a place that's worth $1 million. He said, totally understood. Cool? Yes, stood up. And then he walks over with Miguel. He said, man, I just can't believe the aggression you had with me. I said, can you imagine if he works with you? By the way, if you ever need negotiations, Miguel will help you. It's all on good terms. He said, really, you will work with me? See how we ended? We walk out. So change dynamics. It's okay to create pressure, but then give him the release.